We will start RS public crypto system. Problem on RS public crypto system. Here is the question is, let P equals to 7 and Q equals to 11. Encrypt the plain text. M equals to 19. Encrypted the plain text. M equals to 19 and by RS cryptosystem, and verify that the encryption and decryption function holds good. And we have to verify that the encryption and decryption function holds good. How we can prove, how we can solve this problem? First, take n equals to p into q. Then second is phi of n equals to phi of p and phi of q equals to p minus 1 and similarly q minus 1. Then third step is E should be greater than 1 and less than phi of n. And also GCD of E and phi of n should be 1. This is the step, and next step is to find D. How you can find D? Formula is ED congruence to 1 mod phi n. This is the formula for finding of D. And public key will be N E, and second is private key. Private key will be D. We have to find D. And encryption will be M. M is the message, and also greater than M and less than N. And C equals to encryption of M equals to M to the power E mod N. Here is the ciphertext. For decryption, take m equals to d into x equal to, here is c and m. M message, m for message, c for ciphertext. c to the power d mod n, fourth step and fifth step. Then the problem will be solved. These are the steps we have to follow so that we can solve this problem. How we can solve this problem? Here in this problem, p equals to 7 and q equals to 11. These are two distinct prime. 7. So n equals to pq. We have to find n equals to pq. Here p is 7 and q equal to 11. So then the value will be 77. Now we have to find phi of n. Phi of n equals to phi of 7 equals to multiply phi of 11. Phi of 7 is 6 and phi of 11 will be 10. 16. We know the Euler's formula that phi of n equals to n minus 1 when n is prime. This is the formula. We get the phi of n. Now we have to find e. How we can find e? E we should take in these two distinct primes 7 or 11. So we take E equals to 7. Then we have to find D value. For that we know by formula ED equals congruence to 1 mod n mod phi n. Then here E is 7, here E is 7. 7D congruence to 1 mod phi n is 16. We phi n equals to 16. That we get value from previous page. So 7d minus 1 congruence to 0 mod 16. We can find the value d such that it's divide 60. D value equals to we can use the calculator for that. Let's try how we can do that. Let's take 7x minus 1, then press calc. If we put value of 1, its value is 6. 6 does not 60 does not divide 6. Then we put the value x equal to 43. Then value is 300, which divides 60 divides 300. 43. The value is 43. Then encryption will be C equals to E M equals to M E mod 60 mod 77. Here is mod M equal to mod N is 77. These are the formula you have to remember for right answer. So M is given as 19 and E value we take 7 mod 77. So how we can find these 19 mod 7? We know 19 congruence to 19 mod 77 and 19 square will be, we are using calculator, you can use calculator. 19 to the square will be 361 mod 77. 361 divide 77, value comes as 4 times. Then how can we can find it? 61 equals to minus 77 into 4 equals to how much? Let's see, into 4 will be 53. Value comes as 53. This then value is 53. 77. Then 19 to the power 4 will be 53 whole square mod 77, right? So value comes as 50 to the square will be 2809 mod 77. Then the value comes as 2809 equals to 2809 divided by 77. How much it's? 36 times. Minus 36 into 77. Just multiply 36, then subtract it. It comes as 37. 37 mod 77. Then 197 will be 194 into 192 into 191 mod 77. Then the value will be 194 plus 2 plus 1 mod 77. So value will be 37 into how much? 37 into 53 into 19 mod 77. Now first we have to multiply these two. 37 into 53 will be 1961 mod 77. 1961 minus 1961 divide 77. How much time is 25 times? 25 times into 77 will give 25 36. It will give 36. Then this value will be 36 into 19 mod 77. Similarly, this value will be 36 into 19 gives 684 mod 77. Okay, 684 divided by 77, it's 8 times into 77. It will give 68. The value will be 68 mod 77. That's it. We have a pro. Then the value of C will be 68. 68 will be the value encryption. Now we will do for decryption. For decryption, how can do it? D equal to C to the power D mod N. C to the power C will be 68. D we are find as 43. 43 mod 77. Then this value will be 19. This value will be 19. You don't need to find the value of this, because you can put directly 19. The answer D of C will be 19. Also known as message. Here M.